prep work literally takes forever, but it is the most important part when you're doing shit like this. What up, guys? So there are a few things I need to get done, and I'm currently on my way to Walmart to get a bunch of shit. I also need to work on the car just a little bit because there's a car show coming up on Sunday. It's this vintage car show that I go to every last Sunday of the month that takes place in Winnetka. Currently at Walmart, and my room is a complete mess. So I'm trying to find these compartments that you can put under your bed so you can store shit. I'm pretty sure these are it. That one's correct. It took me like 20 minutes to find the damn air fresheners. Why do they have to put in the corner of the fucking store? There's literally like 14 million different scents. I went with this combo because one, this sounds like a damn good smoothie, and I kind of miss Hawaii. Walmart also has a lot of Cubs gear. This is the reason why I come to this car wash. The only catch is you gotta work really fucking fast. So as you can see, the car is red with black accents all around. The weird thing is that there's like a little bit of chrome along the doors and the windows that I don't like. So we're gonna change that. All you really need is some 3M matte black vinyl and some scissors or a blade. This is my last section of vinyl and I should be done. I think it's all done. So I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to detailing, but my friend Chris recommended me this guy. Let's mask this off before I start getting... So the camera just overheated because I put it next to those spotlights, but it's fine now. It stopped recording before it showed me buffing the stuff, but I don't know if you guys could see this on camera, but there's a huge difference. Here, I'll zoom in. That's 25-year-old paint with a little polish. So I'm gonna mask off the rest of the car with this painter's tape, and then I'm gonna start detailing. The masking is officially done, and now my car looks like Spider-Man's car, if he had one. All right, not too familiar with how to do this, but oh shit, blocking the light, okay. I'm really not sure what I'm doing, but I do have to be careful because it is a single stage paint, so the paint's super soft. So if it's like at a super high speed or if it's like a harder pad, then it'll eat through the paint.
We'll do gambling.
Gambling?
Mm-hmm.
What about girls?
If you want, we'll get you. Oh, no, they're all good. They might have age, you know.
Those random clips were from my uncle's place, and I just left there just now, and my car is like never this clean, so like I really have to take pictures. I was just minding my own business, enjoying the car show until I saw these two cars. I wasn't even planning on filming at all because I was just trying to enjoy the car show. But holy these two cars, you just gotta see this. I didn't even have my filming camera, so the footage wasn't even that good, but my god, these cars are gorgeous. Alright, that's the end of the vlog. I'm editing this right now and I'm posting it late, but whatever. Thanks for watching, and if you guys liked the video, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.